For the past 2 years, they've been dragging me. I'm still here. Nothing they happen. Now we there here. Doing very well. Better than many of them, if not all of them. Most of the Nollywood people who are against me for something we no concern them, they're actually doing it like, yeah, we stand with this person. But the truth is, believe me, it's envy. That's the truth. Look at all of them. If you bring out all of them, both the men and women, line them up. First of all, I'm finer than all of them to start with. I'm doing better. I'm doing better than all of them. There are some of them who have earned 150,000 per movie for the past 10 years. They don't grow. So for them it's envy. You understand? This is a time to this guy waiting, don't they pin me?
Finally, something to drag you on.
Thank you. And then do you understand? Now they found something and they feel like matter will no concern them.